And good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of the weekend edition, yes, the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, November the 2nd, November the 3rd. It's actually today, Sunday. And yeah, November the 3rd, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 9527. 9527. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, and double ones, here no, there no. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, looking forward for solving that puzzle with 9 printed digits. Until then, bye bye for now.